Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook waffle fries in the air fryer. Before we dive into this recipe, please note that we've got 1200 plus more kitchen gadget recipes over at RecipeThis.com, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker and many others. Isn't different food cultures amazing? You know, whilst they're called crisscross fries here in England, most of the world will probably think of them as waffle fries. No matter what you call them where you live, they are absolutely delicious when they're cooked from frozen in the air fryer. Simply load up. Careful for one's stuck together because that means you won't get an even cook on them. So try and separate them if you can. And then I don't like to go more than half full with this kind of food because it just doesn't give you an even cook. So I think I will stop it once I've got a few little scraps in. That'll do. And then once you've loaded them up, place your basket in. I'm starting with a temperature of 190 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 12 minutes. Then I can check on them and see if they need any longer. And we've baked. Wow. So these are waffle fries so far. Look, this is the problem we have with them. They stick together so easily compared to regular fries in the air fryer. So what I recommend you do is you give them a good shake and make sure any that are stuck together are no longer stuck together. Like that. And then what you want to do is you want to give them a little spray with extra virgin olive oil. And normally I would say now put them back on for 2 more minutes at 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. But what's happened for us is our air fryer's had a preheat, so it's kind of already done this already. So ours don't need any longer, but the olive oil really gives a lovely flavour to them. So even if yours are cooked at this point, you know, still give them a spray. Either way, either 12 minutes on a preheated air fryer at 180, or 12 minutes plus 2 to 3 minutes at 200 if your air fryer is not preheated. And these are one of my batches of the waffle fries, or crisscross as they call them from Iceland. They're amazing. So crispy, so yummy. It's perfect for quickly cooking in the air fryer. And you know, you don't have to do this many. I was just demonstrating how many you could cook at once in the air fryer. You could just do a small portion of them if you wanted to go with something else you're eating for dinner. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.